Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, in today's video I bring to you this beautiful luxurious glowing body oil. So guys, this oil is super great for the skin. It helps with skin elasticity, it helps restore skin balance, it helps with dark spot, it helps with stretch mark, it helps with white patches, it helps to rejuvenate the skin, it lightens the skin, and it helps to exfoliate the skin. This oil guys is super good. Like, this recipe took me like about a month to be able to come up with this great recipe. Like, as you can see, this oil right now is very beautiful, and it helps to moisturize the skin deeply. It helps to restore the skin. So guys, if you have been watching my videos, if you have been watching my oil videos, you will know that when making my oil, I don't minimize. Like, I make my oil and I show it to you guys. Okay, just keep on watching this video and you will see the beautiful ingredients I use in making this recipe or this oil. And for those of you that don't know about my oil training, we are having another oil training by February 27th. So if you are interested, quickly send me a DM on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. Send me a DM. The fee is 30,000 naira. Guys, if you really want to learn how to make oils, you want to start selling oils, you want to make it for yourself, you want to learn how to make effective glow body oil, lightening oil, repair oil, stretch mark oil, kids oil, whitening oil, products that are very effective, send me a DM. Okay, and I promise you guys, you're not going to regret this. Okay, so this recipe I'm giving out for you guys today is a very good one that I took my time to select. Like, the ingredients I'm making use of in this recipe is something that I actually have to buy, do practical on, and see the outcome of it. And I'm telling you guys, this recipe is tested and trusted. Okay, so now the first thing you're going to need is light up serum, and then you're going to be needing escarbel snail slime serum. Okay, and then the third serum is nature white serum, okay, or nature's secret if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then you're going to be needing bio oil. You guys know that bio oil is good for stretch mark. It helps to repair the skin, it helps to balance the skin and rejuvenate the skin as well. And then we're going to be needing bel air clat, which is very good for green veins and stretch mark. Okay, so guys, if you watch this video to the end, you will see that I didn't use much of serums. I didn't add any too much serums or whitening serums that contain hydroquinone. Like, I'm telling you guys, this oil is super great and very healthy. And then we're going to be making use of lavender oil, and then we are making use of lemon oil as well. Okay, so I made this lemon oil and the lavender oil myself, and then we're going to be making use of whitening glycerin. Okay, please, if you are buying your raw material, make sure you're buying from the right source. Don't buy fake oils to make your product. It won't work. And then we're going to be making use of grapeseed oil. Okay, 250 ml, and then we'll be making use of argan oil or Moroccan argan oil, whichever you know. Okay, we're going to be making use of this carrier oil. I've already calculated all the recipe and I already know the quantity I'm making. I'm making like 10 liters of this oil. Okay, just keep on watching. And then the next oil we're going to be making use of is jasmine oil. So that particular oil, this particular oil, I'm actually doing a voiceover, is good for stretch mark and also green vein. And then this password oil, guys, this oil, as you guys can see, this is 500 ml that I'm holding right now, and I got this for 85,000 naira. So that's why I said this oil is not for babies. Okay, and then I'm having Vid Gold oil. I have a lot of different Vid Gold oil inside this. So that's why I always tell you people, if you are buying your raw materials, that you buy from me or you buy from the right source, a place where you can get original raw material. So this Vid Gold oil, these two Vid Gold oil that you're seeing me holding, I have about 10 different Vid Gold oil mixed inside. Okay, both stretch mark oil, repair oil, kojic acid, alpha arbutin, a lot of different Vid Gold oil mixed inside. Okay, and then our base is going to be papaya oil. You can make use of any base oil you want to use. You can make use of sweet almond oil, you can make use of grapeseed oil, you can make use of argan oil, jojoba oil, whichever carrier oil you want to make use of is totally fine. Okay, but make sure that the carrier oil that you'll be making use of is a no comedogenic oil, so that you'll be able to use this oil on your face. Okay, then we have 2 liters of papaya oil. Now I really want to let you guys know about this. If you know that you want to make a very small quantity, make your carrier oil 60%, okay? Then your humectant and vitamin E and the rest, let's say 10%, and then the remaining 20 or 40% should be your lightening ingredient. Please, you know that you'll be making use of oils that contains hydroquinone. Please use cautiously. What am I saying? What's the meaning of that English? I don't know. Please use it very, very wisely. Don't go and start pouring it inside because you want to achieve a very sharp result. Okay, so now I'm adding in my Vid Gold oil. Like, this oil smells so good. Like, the smell is so beautiful. This particular Vid Gold oil I'm pouring right now contains 5 different Vid Gold oil. Okay, so I have to like add in different flavor, repairing oil, and a lot of oils inside one. But don't get me wrong, don't say it's too much. It's not too much, because things I added into it are not whitening kind of things. They are things that can help to rejuvenate our skin, brighten our skin, glows our skin, and give us a very healthy, radiant, beautiful skin. Okay, so do not be scared. But if you don't know, you can just buy 2 different type of Vid Gold oil and add into it. Okay, as you guys can see, this oil already looks so beautiful. And then another thing I want to let you guys know, I carefully selected the oils I'm using in this recipe. I don't want this oil to separate, like having white and red or green or whatever color. I just want to have one color. But though the glycerin and vitamin E are a little bit thicker, so it might likely settle down, but it's totally fine. The color came out so beautiful. And then I'll be adding in my grapeseed oil. Guys, I'm so sorry, I know that I'm too fast right now, but I had to talk along with the video so I will not miss up anything for you guys. I don't even know the English I'm speaking. Guys, I don't know English. Please pardon me, okay? But just watch the video, all right? So you will learn. And then what I'm doing right now, I'm just pouring in all of my carrier's oil, because I've already measured everything out. All right, so I'm not just pouring and buying and start pouring. If you don't know how to calculate percentage, if you don't know how to share your percentage, learn. Just pay for this training, guys, so that you will learn more about oils. Like, seriously, you guys keep on asking me, what do you use on your skin? What do you use on your skin? This is one of my secrets. This is one of the things I use on my skin. I use my products on my skin, except probably some other products that you guys already know. Okay, so just learn how to do all these things. If you can make this for yourself, like, you are gaining from it. All right, you won't end up buying product that will end up damaging your skin. This particular oil will help repair your skin, and it's not cheap. Okay, so if you want to purchase this oil from me, it's 100% available. Okay, but guys, it's not cheap, and this oil I'm selling it in 300 and 200 ml. We don't have 100 ml, we don't have 500 ml. Like, this password oil right now, so I'm looking at it, I'm already like, wow, how is this oil going to be? But I already know how it's going to be, because something that I've made and I've used it for myself alone. But this one that I'm making right now is for like selling. Okay, I literally have to use my skin to do some experiments to see how this oil will work on my skin. And I've been using it for like a month. Guys, it's been beautiful. This password oil is not for babies. So like 500 ml for 85,000 naira is crazy. It's so crazy, and I don't even know what happened. I just have to make it very, very good for people. Okay, and then we have this Escabel beautiful serum. Okay, so this serum, I've already used it to make one of my glow body oil before. I don't know if you guys have watched the video. This serum is super good for the skin. It helps with stretch mark, it helps with green vein, it helps beautify the skin, it helps with anti-aging, and it helps with wrinkle, it helps with skin elasticity. Like, it's very, very good. You guys should do more research about all of the things I'm making use of. So for those of you that always complain, Eti, you use too much oils, you use too much serum, please, can you break it down for us? See, now I'm using small serum, I'm not using too much, but it's not cheap. That's just the thing about this oil. This oil is not cheap. It's not cheap. Like, I'm making this oil right now, I'm like, Eti, how are you going to make this? How are you going to sell it? But it is what it is. We have already been into it, and we can do it. So here is my Escabel. I have 3 Escabel. So please do not come for me. Don't start saying a thing you are not telling us the quantity. As you guys can see, I'm making 10 liters, so there is no way I'll be able to tell you guys the quantity. That's why I'm just giving you guys the recipe, so that you will know what I use in making this oil. Except maybe you want to make it for yourself, you will now know how to divide your percentage or how to calculate your percentage. And then we have our nature secret. This particular oil is a very good natural brightening and glowing oil. If you haven't used this oil, please do more research. Try to use it. You can use it directly on your skin. You can use it to mix your lotion. You can use it to mix your face cream. It's very good in brightening the skin. It helps with a lot of skin problems. It helps with damaged skin. It helps with blemished skin. It helps to just rejuvenate your skin and brighten it and give you this radiant and smooth skin. And then I'm adding in my escabel. So if you all notice, all of the oils I'm using have a very similar color, and they are very light. They easily absorbed into the skin. I'm not using serums that contain water. For example, we have skin free milk, we have Gluta-C, we have glutathione prime, we have white now. Like, I bought all of these oils in bulk, but when doing my experiment, I already know what I want to achieve, so I couldn't add them into it. I just have to exclude them. I have to replace them with other things that are also good on the skin. So now this light up serum is very good. It helps brighten the skin, and it helps with dark spots. It corrects the skin. It contains vitamin C, B, and beta carotene, which is very good. And it also contains collagen. So this is not a bleaching serum. It does not contain hydroquinone. It's very mild and very good on the skin. So this particular oil, I made this oil for all skin type and for all skin color. But if you are dark, do not come close, because it's going to lighten your skin. Okay, and this is not oil that will work in 7 days. It will work gradually, and it helps. Guys, remove the mentality of you having 5 shade and 6 shade. Just focus on you having healthy looking and brightening skin. Okay, and get this oil, guys. You will not regret it. So now I need to let you guys know, when I did my experiment, I did not add in stretch mark ampoules. Okay, so I bought 5 stretch mark ampoules. When I added the first one, I noticed that it contains water or glycerin, I don't know, so it settled down on that, so I have to just opt it out. I didn't use any other stretch mark ampoule, so it's not going to spoil anything. I literally got it because it's very good. It tests with stretch mark and all of that stuff, but I already know what I want to achieve. If you can still see this, or if you look at it very well, you will notice that the stretch mark ampoules that I put in there actually settled down, so I just have to exclude it. I added in my whitening glycerin, and then this oil that I'm adding in right now is one of my secrets, which I'm not ready to let out. But if you want to know the secret, register for my skincare training. Don't say I did not tell you. And then I'm adding in my vitamin E oil. So now the oil I just pour into this formula is something that, oh my god, it's so good. And without this particular oil, you can still make this oil, okay? It will still work on your skin. And then I'm adding in my carrot essential oil. So guys, I'm not adding in preservative, because preservative is not necessary, okay? It's not necessary in your oil. But if you add in concentrates that contains water, you have to add in preservative. Already you can see this oil, like you can see the bottom of the oil. That's to let you guys know that this oil does not contain water. And then the second oil I'm adding into this formula is another beautiful oil as well. Okay, so please, if you want to know register. But if you don't want to know, chillax, just make this oil just the way I've showed you guys, and I promise you, you will definitely come out, appreciate me with ram or goat or cow. Guys, this oil is so good. Like, seriously, I don't even know why I'm showing it to you guys right now, but I'm just doing this for, it's not going to remove anything from me. It's just me showing you guys my gratitude and my love for you guys. And then the next oil I'm adding, don't worry, I will tell you what this is. This is turmeric oil. So I make this turmeric oil myself, and it's very concentrated. I make use of a lot of turmeric and just 1 liter of oil. So now if you want to buy your turmeric outside, it's totally fine, but I actually prefer to make this type of oil that I know I can do myself, and it will be very, very good. And if you guys look at the bottle very well, it's very, very yellow. So when you are adding it into your recipe, and if you know you make your turmeric oil yourself, just add in a little turmeric oil so that it will not stick to the skin. Guys, just look at how this oil look at how beautiful it is. And please do not forget to sieve your oil. It's very, very important. Try to sieve so that you will not have some particles in it. Okay, very, very much important. Just look at how beautiful it is. If you guys look at this oil very well, you will notice that it has two colors. This is what I wanted to achieve, and I got it. Like, guys, this oil is beautiful. And look at the plastic I use. Look at the container. I can't say expensive oil and still use cheap containers now. Why? It's not done. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to patronize me. This oil is up for sale. Send me a DM on WhatsApp. My number is currently on the screen, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.